Hello folks, welcome to the channel. Are you encountering error 0x80070003? Then watch this video to look for the solution. The first thing we need to do is we need to restart the system. A very basic fix, and if after we restart we shouldn't see this error, but if we do, then we should probably check our internet connection. The way we do that is we can go to fast.com, press enter, and check our internet connection speed. Now your internet connection speed should be at least 20 megabytes per second and above. If it's below 20 megabytes per second, then there's a problem with your internet connection which is causing this error, and you need to check with your internet service provider. Now the next solution is to run a Windows update, and we can do that by right clicking on the start button, going to settings, clicking on Windows update and clicking on check for updates. Now, if that doesn't work, then we have to reset the Windows mail. So we will look for mail and we will click on app settings, scroll down and click on repair, wait for it to finish, tick mark, and then we will reset it and we'll wait for it to finish. By now, it should have already started working. And in the rare case, after all these solutions, it doesn't work, then we will update all the apps through Microsoft Store. So how we'll do that is we'll click on Microsoft Store, go to library, and in library, if we get an update button here, then we will click on that, and that should fix the issue and you should no longer get this error message. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.